Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out videos on the Complete Anatomy application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should go to your homepage and click on the videos button. Here you will be directed to your library. If you want to, you can also sort them by their name from A to Z, Z to A, most recent or highest rated ones, and you can also apply filters in terms of their group, such as cardiology, fitness, ophthalmology, orthopedics, dentistry, and so on, or you can also add tags. Here you can find all of the videos. If you want to, just tap on the play button to check it out, and if you want to, you can also add it to your favorites. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.